So today we're doing Tom's Overfenders. We got NG Media here. NG, you're gonna film some pretty shots when we actually get started to the fun
we
stuff.
Shoot the ugly shots.
Oh, whoa!
Yeah, we shoot the ugly shots.
I just shoot like the structure of the video is the idea. But basically, he's already got them wrapped. What are they? 15 millimeter. 15 millimeter crown carbon Overfenders. He's already bagged. His fitment's already better than mine. Dude, Tom, man, nice. Your diffuser's clean, dude.
Yeah, right.
Good looks on that, man. Really got the car cleaned, yeah.
Yeah. It's all custom. The vinyl's all, or the dirt's all just actual vinyl.
Tom's out here having the cleanest 350 underbody I've ever seen.
I don't know about the cleanest, but
Nah, that's pretty clean, man.
Exactly.
Yeah, oh yeah, he is a cheater. He's bagged.
When we see a bump, we say fuck. He just goes.
Yeah, whatever, man.
You spin down the jack just like real slow. No, Lowso.
Real low, slow.
More? Yeah, keep it going. Just drops.
Damn, Tom, don't hurt too many people's feelings with this clean trunk setup.
Hardwood.
Yeah, half hardwood, half gutted.
Why do you have rope in here?
Oh, it's designer rope.
It was to like line the sides of it.
Is it
like,
Gucci rope?
You going for Roy Rogers?
Tom's got a fake Vertex steering wheel, nice bucket seats, and the biggest crime of it all.
You need to say it's fake.
Yeah, his Vertex?
Is it fake?
Yeah, it was a $25 when he sent me the link. Oh, did I send you that link? I think I sent you that link too. Yeah, this the one. This is
It
Tom's.
doesn't look fake.
Got it.
Or like around the door and by that tail light almost.
Up right there. This fits pretty good right here.
Kind of come back a little bit. It's gonna pop out a little bit, but I'm gonna go for it just because it's kind of like a little aggressive.
Yeah, fuck it.
It's not too much.
No, it's really not too much. It's just gonna look a little bit different.
What?
Wow.
Still going back now.
Holes in your fenders.
I thought it was already.
Tom made the executive decision. He's not gonna full send it. We're just gonna cut out. Yeah, we're gonna half send it for now.
And then see what happens.
Yeah, okay. You scared?
I'm like a little scared.
I mean, yeah. Dude, I definitely would be. That's why we're doing it on your car first.
Honestly, brother, I would do the bottom one. I would have did the tape.
All right, we'll aim for somewhere in here.
Yeah, because you can always cut more. Can't.
Oh, there you go.
You want to wrap a piece of something over this?
Over what?
Because all the sparks are getting there and it's gonna maybe burn your wrap. Here.
Don't get that part.
Whoa, my god.
You gotta do.
Yeah, now the other thing that you can do is you do the vertical cuts and then you bend it up to pop it into here.
Yeah, is that not what you're doing?
I don't know. I don't know if I just want to pull it up as far as I can and then do all that stuff to seal it up.
I would just make like little cuts all along the way and then just fold it. That's what I've seen a lot of people do.
That's what I'm gonna see. And then buying that flex tape shit.
Yeah, yeah.
Putting it over to hold it.
Yeah, you'll be good. So these are the fenders he's gonna be running. Like I said, they're only 15 mils, so it's not that big. These are his wheels. I want his wheels very badly. He has 265 stretched on there. Wed's LXZs. Looks sick. Oh my god.
Put that on there. Don't worry, it wouldn't be the
Yeah,
first one
this was all clean though. That's crazy. That cut is terrible, dude. So oddly shaped, man.
Yeah, fuck it.
It's like a straight line and then like a weird curve down.
The quarter panel's going over it.
Yeah, I guess fuck it. Fuck it. quickly explain what we've done so far. We've drilled the pilot holes all around for the over-fenders. He already wrapped the over-fenders, so that's all done over there like I showed you guys. And now he's just gonna bend those tabs up and out of the way to provide wheel clearance for his real wheels that he's gonna run spacers with. Good choice there, Tom.
Back a little bit.
Good choice, Tom. Good choice. Oh, it's going down. Oh, it's pretty close. Is that aired up? No way. Oh, don't forget about the other side still. It's sitting on it still. You're gonna have to bend them more.
I mean, you are talking.
Damn.
I just recorded that to put on my story and Snapchat crashed.
No way. We're putting in, what are these called again? Nice little water bottle. That's kind of oddly colored water, man.
So a well nut. And so pretty much what it is inside here there's a little thread and you put it in like this pretty much. Yep. If this was your body panel. And you thread this nut into here, or this bolt, and it starts to grab the nut that's inside. And
it like stretches it?
And what it'll do is it'll pull that nut closer to the bolt head, and then this metal, or this rubber will expand, creating
like a rivet.
Yeah, a lot of people use riv nuts. I don't really like them because they're really hard to use. And this is exactly what Downstar sells. But if you are lucky and they have them at your local Ace, they're almost half the price of them.
And local, and you can buy them that day if they have them.
Yeah, usually they have limited stock, but you can even make special order and get as many as you need.
Right.
And then I'll be running a washer underneath of that. Always use stainless. If you use anything else, it'll rust. I did it on my Subaru. I learned my lesson.
Oh, it rusted?
Yeah.
But these are what you use on the Subaru?
Yeah, this is what I use on the Subaru, just not, I only use zinc plated. This time I went full stainless, so I won't have a problem.
Nice. I'm gonna look at them real quick. Oh, so I can see that one of the washers is rusting. But for the most part, like the whole panel hugs really nicely. So can't hate that.
I'm gonna run it without stripping. Really? Or for the edge of the this one fits really flush like my Subaru. I did it better looking, but this one I think it'll look fine without it. I've seen a couple guys do it.
So they just slide right in there. You just have the right drill bit size. And
he's got to drill the bigger hole for the actual base of it, and as long as you drill the right hole, it just pops right in.
Dude, I was gonna make, oh my gosh, I was gonna make this ruining Tom Z, but I guess we're fixing it now.
So my car was in an accident. This whole quarter panel got hit here and then warped forward, buckled like this. I had a repair shop. I obviously went to a body shop to get it professionally fixed. I guess they didn't seal it up good enough because there's some rust in there.
Yeah, there's a lot of rust.
It looks like right here they didn't take off the inner skin. Yeah. Because that's not part of this skin. That's part of another one in there. So this is the original lip of the car.
Right. They
when they replaced the
never
full
resealed it. They never rewelded it or anything.
They never resealed it. This is, I mean, this might be it right here, but that's definitely not enough to seal it to the. Yeah, that would eventually eaten away at the whole car. That's fucking crazy.
Oh, look at it down there. Wow.
Moral of the story: always wide body your car.
Yeah, always wide body. That's TJ took the tip, man. TJ's always wide bodying it.
Factory said it's sealed as hell.
Yeah, and you can see that that's what it's supposed to look like.
Like look right here. This is how your two, like the pinch together. This is how it should be. Right. And then this gets rolled into your other one when you roll your fenders. This wasn't.
Yeah, well that's why you probably had trouble rolling them.
Yeah.
Because it was messed up.
When this one was rolled, it was maybe 1/4 inch to 1/2 inch thick. This one was like 3/4 thick.
Yeah, and you said there was like gum in there, and that's what you meant.
Yeah.
Because you're fighting this stuff as well. Tom, what happened, dude?
What's funny is that jug was full.
Oh my god, dude. Tom, what happened?
Can I put right here? Another fin. It's coming. Well, what's creating the pressure? That's not, I guess that's the pressure.
We figured out the tape is pretty sticky, so we're gonna find out how sticky it is. Tape review here. It's pretty good. Oh, it's sticking. It's sticking. No, I really don't. Like one hair. Very, very mild results. Oh man, it cleans up your bumper gap in the back though.
Yeah.
It's actually looks pretty
Put one down.
So, this is what happens when you tighten the well nut. It'll actually.
It's like a.
See how it gets fatter?
Oh,
and
I
fatter?
do.
Yeah, so that's actually what pushes on the edge of the metal inside your body.
Wild. I mean, it looks nasty though.
It definitely looks good. I'm liking that.
The best nasty. Great. Way zoomed in? Dude, I'm so bad at that, man.
You didn't get any of that. It's lens. It's lens.
Which one is it?
Hey guys. Yeah,
That was like should have changed.
why do I have to restart?
Because sir, I had to get it level.
That's fine. I'll just cut it out. Alright, that's about it for this one, guys. We are going to be finishing up Tom's sometime this week because it's not all the way done. We don't have much left to do. It's pretty much done. At least the fenders are on now. He's missing some of the hardware still, but at least they're on and it looks a lot better than it did.
All said and done, it was
You
pretty
want
easy.
something, man? Dude, get out of here. Alright, that's it for this one, guys. We'll see you in the next one. Peace.